Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google Play balance and account settings so you don't waste time. Once done, open the Play Store and navigate to the specific product category, books or movies, because those pages may offer a buy as gift flow. Make sure your account country and payment methods are correct. Google restricts transfers and direct conversions from balance. If a gift option appears, tap it now and prepare recipient info. If not, pause and follow the alternate path in the next slide. Once you've chosen a giftable item, select Buy as Gift and fill recipient details clearly. This is how Google delivers it via email. Next, choose a delivery date and include a message for context. These options help the recipient recognize the email. At checkout, pick a payment method. Sometimes Play Balance is usable, sometimes it isn't. So if the balance is rejected, switch to a linked card or Google Pay. Confirm the purchase and note the order ID for reference. Finish by verifying the confirmation email and the order ID. Ask the recipient to check spam and promotions folders if they don't receive it. If the Play Store lacks a gift option or rejects your balance, purchase a physical or digital Google Play gift card from a retailer and send that code, or use family library sharing for eligible purchases. If something goes wrong, region mismatch, pending transactions, or balance holds, contact Google support and provide the order ID and screenshots to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.